This does not look like George Street. That's what I said as I got off the bus about 4 years ago. I was already late for my new job and I had taken the wrong bus. What an idiot. That's what I felt like. I wanted the bus to take me somewhere, but because I had gotten on the wrong bus, I'd wasted money, and more importantly, I'd wasted time. I was super late for my first day of work. And that's the same with online business. A lot of people get on the wrong bus. People want a website that will take them to financial freedom, but they get the wrong website and they get dropped off at the corner of wasting time and losing money. And that's why I made this video, to get you on the right bus. We'll cover the different ways websites make money and how you can get on the right bus. So tap the like button and let's dive into this. And by the way, thank you for hitting the like button. It means a lot and I really do appreciate it. We're going to talk about how websites actually make money online, but I want to clue you into something that's going to blow your mind. If you don't get this right, you can understand how websites make money, but you'll still lose money. So stick around to the end of the video because I have a tip that will keep you from making the most common mistake I see in online business. If you're ever glued to your screen scrolling through a website, well, guess what? You're helping that website make money. And some of those website owners are making a killing. Websites make money from advertisements by selling ad space on their websites to advertisers. Advertisers pay the website owner for the privilege of displaying their ads on the website. The amount of money a website can charge for an ad, it depends on a few factors, such as the number of visitors the website gets, the demographics of those visitors, and the type of content the website offers. Typically, websites use something called an ad network, such as Google AdSense, to manage their ads, which can help to optimize the ads and increase the revenue of the website. These ads can come in various formats, such as display ads or video ads. So the more traffic a website has, the more money it can make from advertising. Yes. Like for example, cutekittens.com probably gets more traffic and makes more money than kitesurfingonthemoon.com. Next up, we have affiliates. Do you ever find yourself on a website reading reviews and recommendations for products, and each recommendation has a link attached to it? Well, those links might be affiliate links. And they're another way websites make money. How do those affiliate websites make money? An affiliate website earns a commission by promoting products or services through affiliate links. For example, if you're reading about pickleball and click a link to a pickleball racket that's on Amazon and you buy it, you've just earned that website a commission. All right, here's a pro tip for you. You know what's great about content websites? You don't have to worry about customer complaints or product returns or shipping delays. All you have to do is create helpful content. It's a pretty simple business. It's like running a lemonade stand. Just instead of selling lemons and sugar, you're selling clickbait and catchy headlines. The links are unique to each affiliate, and when someone clicks on them and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. The more traffic an affiliate website gets, the more potential buyers will click on their affiliate links and make a purchase. We'll get to the next way websites make money, but here's a question for you. Have you ever started your own website or blog? If so, what was your experience like? Let me know in the comments. Next up, we have SaaS. SaaS isn't just when your kids talk back to you. SaaS for websites, SaaS stands for software as a service. And it's a business model where software is provided to customers over the internet instead of being installed on their computer. Think about services like Dropbox, Slack, or MailChimp. They're all examples of SaaS businesses. So how do SaaS websites make money? Well, it's pretty simple. They typically charge customers on a subscription basis, either monthly or annually. And customers, they pay for access to the software and any additional features or services that come with it. And because the software is cloud-based, SaaS businesses can easily scale their user base without worrying about physical storage or hardware. The great thing about SaaS businesses is that they have the potential for high recurring revenue, meaning that customers will continue to pay for access to the software over time. This is an incredible business model. And because SaaS businesses are typically scalable and have low overhead costs, they can be highly profitable. Now, if you're thinking about SaaS websites, there are a few things to keep in mind. Unless you know what you're doing, I probably wouldn't do SaaS because you'll need to have a solid understanding of your target market and what problems they're trying to solve. You also need to have a strong development team in place to build and maintain the software. And finally, you'll need to have a solid marketing strategy to attract and retain customers. If SaaS had a bumper sticker, it would read, "Not for beginners." All right, let's cover e-com sites. How do they make money? Well, it's pretty simple. It's a website that sells products or services online. Think on a big scale, Amazon, Etsy, or Zappos. They're all examples of e-com websites. Now, the great thing about e-com websites websites is that they have the potential to generate a lot of revenue. With millions of people shopping online every day, the market is huge. And because e-com websites can operate 24/7, they can generate sales around the clock. But there are risks to e-commerce as a business model as well. For one, there's a lot of competition out there. It can be tough to stand out in a sea of other online retailers. Because e-commerce websites require inventory management, shipping, and handling, there are also additional logistical challenges to consider. Running an e-com website is tough, I'm not gonna lie. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the needle is a profitable product and the haystack is the entire internet. If you're thinking about an e-com site, here's a great question to ask yourself. Do you know how to run ads? If not, then you'll be up the creek. That's why I often recommend that beginners stick with content websites in order to actually make money. Content websites like blogs or niche websites can generate revenue through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or advertising. And because they don't need inventory management or shipping, they're simpler and more beginner friendly as a business model. But just because a website is making money doesn't mean it's a good investment. That's where due diligence comes in. When you're considering purchasing an online business, it's crucial to do your research and make sure you're making a smart investment. You'll want to look at the website's traffic, its revenue, its expenses, and profitability, as well as, or I should say, especially the risks. And the great thing about buying an online business is that you don't have to start it from scratch. Instead, you can purchase an existing business that's already making money and has a proven track record. It's like buying a house that's already been built instead of starting building your own house. Of course, just like with any investment, there's always risk involved. But by doing due diligence and tapping into an expert who has purchased a website before, you can be aware of the risk and make a reasonably good investment. So we just covered how websites make money, but it's important to do your research and make sure you're making a smart investment. To cut out the complexity of due diligence, get our due diligence framework that we have used to help us and our clients make millions and save millions of dollars when buying online businesses. This framework takes the guesswork out of buying a website, and check it out in the description below. Bonus round. We just talked about how buying a website that's already making money can be a smart move if you become aware of the risks. A lot of people think that you can make a lot of money by owning a website, but even if a website makes a good profit every month, you can still lose if you overpay for the business. They say the profit is in the purchase, and it's so true. If a site makes $2,000 of profit every month, but you pay $200,000 for it, you've overpaid. And because you've overpaid, you'd have to grow the site a lot to justify the huge purchase price that you already sunk into the website. The seller will tell you all the opportunities with the site, and you'll dream up all these different opportunities you could do or could make happen. And you can make them happen, but don't let opportunities based on the future distract you from the real risks right now with the business. You shouldn't buy a business based on opportunity alone, especially the opportunities a seller is selling you to encourage you to buy their website. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's William Griffin. And if you have watched this video up until now, please smack that like button, and I'm glad you're liking the video. Also, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're doing super well. I also want to ask you, please consider subscribing, because my commitment and exploration on YouTube is about to explode. Stories and polls and more amazing content and more engagement, more surprise and delight. This is the time to subscribe. I hope you consider it, and I hope I see you on the next video.